help improve sales, we would initiate a new style of campaign. We thought it would be great to support our brand and cause-related marketing strategy to start really sort of working with charities that we support as a company. So we picked two. One was Everyman, which is a body that's supported by the Institute of Cancer Research and specialises in providing cures and treatment for men with testicular and prostate cancer. And we decided to do it when there's a lot of noise and buzz about Movember, and men in the office at Legal General are growing moustaches and really raising money and getting behind the cause. On the back of the success of the Everyman campaign, we wanted to trial the same initiative but with females, targeting females aged between 25 and 49, which are our target demographic for life insurance. And we thought a great time to do that is in the summer months when women across the UK are running Race for Life and raising money for breast cancer research. So we partnered with Cancer Research UK, and again the campaign was a really great success. The charities really fit in really well with our products. So we sell life insurance products which will cover people who develop these diseases, and basically it's a good way of getting our message out to customers and educating and engaging them in a new and different way. We're a very, very small team based in Cardiff. Legal & General are a massive organisation, but the direct marketing team actually sit here in Wales, and it showed a lot of creativity within the team. It raised our profile within the marketing community, which is based in London, and also we've had amazing feedback from not just the charities but our customers, and we've pretty much reached out to a new audience that we wouldn't before have reached. So it was really, really great in that way.